Hello, welcome back to Maison Law channel, Maison Law Network channel, and today I'm gonna review an installation for the silicone plastic door stopper. So this is it. One, two, three. So this is a silicone. Okay, hexagon, silicone, and the plastic stopper. Okay, so the installation by 3mm. 3M. This one it's quite easy. You just have to try it like this. Yeah. I'm gonna do it later. So that's it. Just a simple review. And if you like the product, the link for the to shop is below the video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. So this is the after installation, which I already pasted on the floor, the plastic and the silicone on the door. So we just snap it, I guess. That's it. Okay.